Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it's Valentine's Day. I just wanted to record a little vlog today because I'm spending it with my babes and we are gonna go to Ikea and look at stuff. Yeah. We don't know what. Plants, most likely, but all right, so join us. Starbucks first, always.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you.
Okay, we're here. Let's go check out some Ikea stuffs.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you.
$20. Vigja. The Vigja stick. I think I'm gonna get it. Our happy place. Let's just take a nap.
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. Got a little crush on you.
All right, we are back home and I am going to show you guys what we got. Every time I sit on the floor. You gonna show people what we got? Is that a yes? Okay. Plans. Okay, so we got two of these. I picked up one for myself and one for my friend. It says it's a peperomia, but I don't know. Can someone tell me in the comments whether you think this is a peperomia or not? But look at how variegated the leaves are. There is a little bit of browning on the leaves, but I inspected these things for bugs like ridiculously carefully, and they look fine. Can you stop? The other one I got is this cute little one. It says that this is a, well, they all say they're Himalaya mixes. What does that mean, guys? Like Himalaya mix? It's a Codiaeum. I've never seen this plant before, so I'm just gonna say, okay, Ikea, like, I'll believe you. So pretty, right? This basket, guys, how cute is this? And it folds in. And this was only $12.99, which I was kind of shocked because this will probably hold a 12-inch pot because I'm gonna use it as a plant holder. And I saw these online going for like 50 to 60 bucks. So I'm really excited about that. So I'll be sure to show you what it looks like with a plant in it once I get that situated. I picked these up. I'm so excited because last time I was at Ikea, I saw them and I was like, $14.99, that's kind of pricey. But the shelves in my office are looking a little bare, so Jay got this guy. He is super cool. I'm excited to see what like karate ninja position he puts them in his office. Coffee beans, anyone? I got another watering can because this holds way more water than my other one, and I like that it's a bigger spout. Then Jay got this basket. He's gonna put his dragon palm tree in it that's in the basement. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys his little plant collection, but. And then we got a plant stand. So this is that one that you saw in the beginning, like when we first got to Ikea. It's lower, and I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. I think it's gonna look really cute in there. You are being a bugster. Yes, you are. And then who can leave Ikea without cinnamon rolls? All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining us on our little venture to Ikea. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like what you see in these videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you guys know what that plant is that I got, that first one, let me know, because I think Ikea might have got that wrong, but what do I know? Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Happy Valentine's Day.